wird sich die durchgeführt nach sich.
Alright, welcome back. If you're new, do all the cool stuff that people normally tell you to do. Like, subscribe, leave a comment after you've watched the video in its entirety so you know exactly what to comment about and what to make fun of me for. Today is another starter video. Spike's back on the chopping block behind me. Hopefully this will be the last of the videos because I really don't want to work on it anymore. It's about, you know, we're about 3 weeks shy of rainy season to be over, and I want this thing to rip. Long story short, check back on all the other videos. I'll put the link somewhere in these zones for the playlist that has the starter issues that I've been blowing it on. Anyways, I said screw it, I'm gonna get a starter. Someone else bought one. And I thought it was a good deal because normally they're like 400 bucks. But TCBROS sent me one for, you know, 200 and less than 250, so that's pretty sweet. But here it is. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and unveiling. I don't know what you guys call it in TV land. But it showed up pretty quick, you know. Ordered on last Monday, and it's here, and it's Saturday, so that's pretty cool. Right away I got a big box, nice box, you know, keychain, got these sweet plastic things for when I send it back, save that. I got a card, I don't know why they send that. Save a planet. Oh, but that's TC, whatever. Got a sticker. I got a throttle tube because my other one is pretty much worn to nothing, so I've just been riding that. That's not a good idea. But here's the gem of all gems and the receipt. Save that. Here it is. What everybody's been looking for, or what I've been looking for anyways. All right, sweet. Nothing else in the box. Make sure I don't blow it. Here it is. New starter. Wow. All right. Right away, it looks good. It looks just like the one that I got in there. It looks like a stock one. Supposedly it's like a high torque one, torque starter. So we'll see. But it's got all the doodads I need. It looks exactly like what I paid for. Starter from TCBROS, 200 and some bucks. Amazon, don't buy those. I don't trust them. They're probably refurb, so don't trust refurb stuff when you're choppering because you'll have to take it out 50 times. But this one is supposedly brand new. That's what they claim on the website. I trust TCBROS as far as stuff like this. They're not building it. They're just buying it from someone else and selling it. But yeah, it's great. I trust it. I thought it'd be a little bit chintzy. It's pretty good. So let's get to it. Let's see if it'll start. All right, I already got it in. I put it in like in an hour or something. I don't know. I did a live stream, so if you want to watch that, you can. Just try to play tunes while I dicked around, but I did it pretty quick. Here it is. Can't see it, but that's the new starter. It's already in there, all black and shiny. But there's that one. Freaking turd. All right, I'm gonna go get some food and wait for the morning time to get some oil to put in the primary. I like to use a Type F, but I think because it was clunking so bad, it was banging something around. I got a lot of debris on this bad boy. Yeah, it's pretty, I don't know if you can see it, pretty tough to see, but there's a lot of junk on there. There's more, I just took it off, but that's what I didn't pinch off. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna clean it up. I didn't see anything wrong or, you know, visible signs of wear, so that's fun. It's probably just the clutches being disintegrated somehow. It was pretty clunky, but I just need to adjust it. Anyways, we see you in the morning.
The next day.
All right, here goes. Gotta plug the battery in. There we go. All right, let's see. Give it a good chance to do its thing here. All right. Oh. Let's try this again. I didn't tighten that, so it was make all kinds of racket. Idiot move. This should be 100% good now. Power, no power. All right, power's on. Everything's good. This key sucks. Cheap key. Oh, it's because I got an accessory. Duh. Let's try it again. I think that's it. Dialed. I'm gonna kill it. All right, cheers. All right, the TCBROS starter worked. I recommend it. Put it in, fires up, it works. My problem with this whole starter saga was when I went to start my bike, it did something different every single time. I couldn't pinpoint it. So I didn't know if I needed a new starter, battery, wiring, I didn't know what. So all these videos I've put out until this one, I've just been trying to figure it out. You know, I rebuilt the starter and then it kind of did the same thing, but it was better. So then I figured it was a battery. I did a battery video, go check it out. And then I did the wiring, relay, key switch, triple check the wiring. Finally just got a new starter. So everything is brand new basically. Everything's good. Now it's just time to put some miles down. But saying that, that's the end of the video series I should say. Thank Crimey. Yeah, go throw me a like, throw me a subscribe, throw me some time under the old boob tube. Got the shovel head sitting here. I really want to ride that bad boy. I got some other videos coming down the pipeline. My 883 needs some wiring done, and I really want to do some other stuff that may be hit or miss, but we'll see. Otherwise, hopefully these videos helped you. You know, these videos are for people like me who are just, I don't know anything, going along for the ride.
How do I do this?
Asking people that no one ever freaking knows. The internet never knows. Internet is the worst place in the world to ask any questions. Through this channel, hopefully you'll learn. This is not a how-to. This is just a how to not do, but hopefully it cuts some corners for you. Don't be like me and try to fix every single little thing. Just buy the starter. Just start there. I always try to rebuild everything and start from the ground up. A lot of people should just buy the starter. I just like tinkering, I like the experience. But sometimes you gotta outweigh how much time you're doing something versus how much it costs. And sometimes it's just worth doing something once. You know, I tore the bottom end out of this thing 4 or 5 times just because of the starting issue. Yeah, it sucks, don't do that. Anyways, on a good note, Sportsters.
Please, come forward.